Alright, so this is a yard here. Looks like most of the, or a good chunk of the fence is missing. Let's see if you can see here. Fencing over there, then looks like the entrance to the driveway's over there. You have all this as the yard. Then you have a 2-car garage here. And the home is right here. The garage is in decent condition. Looks like it probably need a new roof. The sidings looks like it just needs some painting. Door there. You have electricity in the garage. There's like a gate here that goes out into the alley. So it's just kind of, it's a gate there, goes into the alley. Looks like that needs to be repaired there on the fence. Yeah, the alley here. So the side of the house is towards the alley, as you can see. This part of here sure needs a new roof, sidings, windows. System. So let's check out the rest of the house here. There's the electric there. As you can see the windows for sure. We're not allowed to go inside, but that's fine. You can see, you already saw pictures of the inside. It's pretty much gutted. Yeah, definitely a lot of work. $80,000 for this one, right? So, do have a patio here. Cement, yeah. These slabs have some cracks and everything in them, but nothing crazy. You don't see a lot of it's not sinking much or anything like that. This is the side of the house here, a little patio there. You have another, like, they almost had this part of the yard kind of separated, as you can see the fencing. It's a good sized lot. This is a really big lot, actually. If you look at the size of the property here, you have a lot of room here. So, but obviously you can see the foundation is set for this part here with the house. But hey, you can always expand, extend. Any questions, let me know. I'll get some more footage. The highway is not too far from here. If you take this road right here, go straight down that way, you hit the I-25. The I-25 is that'll take you, if you take it north, it takes you up to Colorado Springs. It takes you all the way up into Denver. If you take it south, it takes you all the way into New Mexico. So, and it's literally, you can kind of see it further down over there. But yeah, let me know what you think.